Hey all, today I will cover very basic topic which is fundamental of computer. So as we will discuss a very basic thing about the fundamental of computer, monitor, printer, mouse and basic thing about the uh, computer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, fundamental of computer. We will start with the first topic. So what is fundamental? I'll cover. I'll share PDF with you also, so you can check it after this thing. You can comment me. I'll share with you. Okay, let's get started with the fundamental of computer. So, what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which is capable of receiving information data in a particular form and of performing a sequence of operation in accordance with a predetermined but variable set of procedural instruction program to produce a result in the form of information or signal. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which is capable receiving information data in a particular form and performing a sequence of operation in accordance. Okay, this is the computer. So there are two type of computer. Okay, one is hardware and another one is software. So hardware you can say, which is you can touch, you can feel physically, which is the which is hardware part of computer. And software, like I will give you example. Hardware software is suppose if you are using WhatsApp, so this is the application. Okay, whatever the app you are using, this is the software in computer language. Okay, like if you are using Excel, this is software. Hardware is you are using keyboard, mouse, printer, this is the hardware part of the computer. Next we will. Okay, this is the full form of computer. C for common, operator, machine, purpose, useful, technology, electronic, and research. Okay, this is the full form of computer. Okay, first calculation machine is abacus. Okay, the father of computer was Mr. Charles Babbage. Okay, who invent computer? So, her name is Charles Babbage. Next is computer hardware. Hardware refer to the item in a PC that we can touch and feel. So as I told you, hardware is a thing we can touch and feel. Okay. Software we can't touch, okay, and we can't feel. But we are using like Excel, PowerPoint, and in normal language, if I will say WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. So this is the example of software. And this is the example keyboard, mouse, and CPU. This is the example of hardware. So there are four type of hardware: input, processor, output, and storage device. Okay, I will give you I will give you flash here. So difference between input and output. Okay, input keyboard and mouse. Output monitor and speaker, printer. So you as you can say, like what is the difference between input and output? Okay, input, which you can give the command, like from keyboard you are typing something, but on monitor it is flashing. In speaker you can hear. Okay, in printer you can like touch it, that printer will come out. Okay, so this is the example of output, and this is the example of input. Input is keyboard, mouse, you are giving the instruction, but you are not getting any output. But in output you are getting output. Okay, like monitor. Okay, whatever you are typing with keyboard in input device, okay, you are getting like that paragraph on your monitor. You can see on monitor. Wherever you are touching by mouse, you are like a selection, your cursor is moving, you are touching something, and monitor will display. Okay, movie, anything, the monitor will display. If you are playing music, speaker will like give you sound. So this is output device. Okay, this is the difference between input and output. So and CPU will not come under input and output both, because CPU is a processor. CPU is not an input device and not an output device, because CPU, as you know, control processing unit. So this is just like a processor. Okay, this is like you are like not uh, giving the command or not giving your output, but it is working. Okay, and storage device is your RAM, okay, your memory. Okay, this is the storage device, your hard disk. This is storage device. Okay, so there are four type of hardware which I explained you: input, output, processor, example, and storage device. Okay, these are the example of input, output, and processor and storage. So let's get started with the input device. A computer consists various type of device. An input device take the input from the user, send to processing into a computer or PC depending upon user requirement. A computer have different type of input device like keyboard and mouse, etc. Explain both example below. Okay, keyboard is a typewriter like device which contains keys to feed and formatting formation into the computer. Keyboards become the main input device of for computer. In general, keyboard are available in two models. Okay, here is an explanation about the keyboard. Okay, keyboard is a typewriter where you can write anything and you will get the output from your monitor. Okay, and keyboard is an input device. Okay, there's a two type of keyboard which they mentioned. Here is mentioned two type of keyboard. One is standard, one is enhanced keyboard. Okay, enhanced keyboard is advanced keyboard, and standard keyboard is a normal keyboard like we are using current we are using. Okay, in standard keyboard there's a keyboard like keys between 100 to 104, and in enhanced keyboard there's a 120 or more keys, like 20 keys more extra. Okay, as you can see here, there is a function key F1 to F12 extra key in enhanced keyboard, and in advanced keyboard you can see you need to press like function key with the sorry any F2 F1 to F11 key with a function key. Like there are two uses of uh, F1 to F12 key. Like if you can see in your keyboard, there's a like on F1 you can see mute, unmute, or brightness option, less brightness, more brightness. So there's a two option, but if you are using this key with a function, you can use differently. So this is that extra key F1 to F11 which is differently using mainly particularly using for enhanced keyboard. There's a number key also, 0 to 9. If you are using standard keyboard which I am also using, here you can see 1 to 0. There's a 2 1 to 0. There is a 2 key we have in standard keyboard. Like in with 1 you can see the exclamation mark, etc., and hashtag. If you are simply pressing 1 2 3, you can press it, but if you want your exclamation mark at the rate, then you need to press with the shift plus 1, shift plus 2, shift plus 3 to get your extra icons. Okay, so this is the extra key. And next is arrows keys. Okay, arrow like up, down, left, right. You can see this is the extra key in enhanced the keyboard. Okay, okay, there's a typewriter key also. A to Z used for type anything alphabetically. Control, shift, tab, alt, etc. Okay, we have its helping key. now we can move on. Mouse. Okay, this is the full form of mouse. And what is mouse? You know about the mouse. Okay, mouse is an electronic device that controls the coordinate of a cursor on your computer screen as you move it. Mouse stands for manual operated using selection electronic. A computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of a GUI graphical user interface. Okay, mouse just give you selection. You can, like, this is also working of mouse, like you are selecting something and you want to change something with this key, so you can use your mouse instead of your keyboard. You can use your keyboard also with your shortcut, but if you are not remember your shortcut keys, so you can't use it your uh, that keyboard. So during that time, for your work efficiency, you can use your mouse also. Okay, and it is giving you smooth control because you can move anywhere. You don't need to remember everything in your mind. You just using this, increase the screen size, as you can see. So this is the function of mouse, because it is giving you a good graphic user interface, because you can very easily use this mouse. Okay, by using the mouse you can very easily go anywhere if you want to go. Okay, next is full form of mouse. So M for manually, O for operated, U for using, S for selection, and E for electronic. So there are three type of mouse. Ball mouse, like earlier we are using ball mouse because of we used to play, like people used to play uh, any game in their laptop, in their system. Okay, they were using ball mouse, which is like you don't need to like move normal if you are watching your normal mouse, standard mouse to which you currently you are using, there you can't see the ball now mouse. Okay, you by touching that ball, this ball, like you can go left, you can go on right, you can like control your full PC with the mouse ball. Okay, you don't need to move full mouse. Anyway, like I need to move my mouse. Okay, but here in ball mouse, in this case, you don't need to move and everywhere, just your ball need to move. Okay, this is the ball mouse. Okay, we can read it. A trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensor to detect a rotation. Okay, this socket rotation matlab, this is detecting your rotation of the ball about two axes, like an upside down mouse with an exposed protruding ball. The trackball button may be situated to that of a mouse or to unique style that suit the user. Okay, next is optical mouse. Currently we are using in office also we are using this mouse, normal mouse, which is come with a wire. As you know, this is the wire, and this is the right click, left click. Here you can see right click, left click. This is the below is a scroll up and down. Okay, this is normal mouse. Next is laser mouse. Okay, laser mouse, you don't need any wire. You this will work with the battery. Okay, your normal, you can charge it with a USB, or either you can either you can charge with a USB cable your charger, or you can use battery which is you are using in your remote. Okay, this is laser mouse, we call it laser mouse. This is put in into your laptop or your desktop on your CPU. You just put it there and it will be detect, like it will be catch your monitor screen, and it will be showing the selection. This is like this, the selection will show you. Okay, next is CPU. So as you know, CPU, earlier we are using normal desktop with a which come with the CPU. Now currently nowadays very less people are using normal standard PC. So this is the old one, like not that much old. You can see in your school, you can see somewhere in your office also, where they are using CPU, because in your laptop there's some issue, not that much, but there's some issue, like you can't store everything here. You need cloud computing to store your data. Okay, but here in CPU it can store a lot of thing also. Okay, as compare your laptop. Okay, if you are increasing your RAM or your SSD or your HT, that is different case, but normally it is difficult to store everything in, but CPU is more efficient to store your data. Okay, I'm not saying CPU is so old, like I'm not saying we need some storage, like cloud computing, but as compare normally as compare laptop, CPU is much better than for storage. Okay. Okay, this is the CPU. CPU is the electronic circuitry within a computer that carries out the instruction of computer program by performing the basic arithmetic logic control and input output operation specified by instruction. Okay, this is the CPU. Full form of CPU is central processing unit. Okay. Okay. So is this is the electronic circuitry within a computer. This is for attaching with your computer, your monitor, that carries out without CPU you can't do anything, because this is the like main hand, motherboard, PSU, everything here. Okay, you can't use your monitor, simply monitor, without using CPU. You can't use it. Okay, that carry out by instruction by computer program by in performing the basic arithmetic logic control and input output operations based by instruction. Okay, whatever instruction you are giving, this will follow, because this is a machine, this is like a robot. Whatever you are saying, that CPU will take your command, and the CPU will follow. Okay, next is output device. Okay, let's go. I already mentioned you a lot of output device. We can read it, and I'll explain you which is very important for you. Okay, output device is the second category of computer in computing. An output device is a piece of computer hardware equipment that uses received data and command from an information processing system in order to perform a task. In simple language, the work of output device show the output to user or find the resource of the user. As I explained you, output device means word of output is something is something output is giving you. Okay, like printer, you are taking, like you are pressing, like you are using your printer, you are getting some output, you are getting that printer paper. Okay, print paper. So this is the output. Speaker, you are listening any music, just click on any music you are listening, so this is you are getting output. Okay, here is some example of output. Monitor. Okay, here on monitor you can watch movie. Okay, on monitor you can watch your Excel sheet. So this is the output. You can watch, you can listen, or you can like see. Okay, or you are getting some physical page also, like printer. In printer case, you are getting something physical. So this is output. Okay, projector. You are watching some movie. If you want to watch some movie, this projector will show you. Okay, speaker. You want to listen any song. You want to watch movie. Speaker will give you voice. Headphones same, and printer also same. Like you are getting some output. Okay, here's an example of. Okay, here's a explanation of monitor, and there's a four type of monitor. Okay, a computer monitor is an output device. Okay, as I explained you, this is output device, and it is connected with your CPU. Whatever the instruction you are giving, like you are giving the selection from your mouse, out, output will come out on your screen. Okay, there are four type of monitor. The first is CRT, LCD. You know about the LCD. Currently, we are using LCD or LED. Okay, and TFT. The first is CRT, cathode ray tube. This is a full form. LCD, liquid crystal display. TFT, thin film transistor. LED, light emitting diode. This is the CRT. Earlier, we are using this normal, like very fatty display. Okay, then LCD came. This flat. Lot of places like you can see this is using LCD. Okay, liquid crystal display. Next is thin film transistor. Okay, this is also same like this, but this is little bit slim from than this. And LED. Currently, we are using mainly we are using LED. Very flat screen. Okay, and panel computer monitor or television. Like you can like you can um, use a lot of thing on your LED monitor. Okay, these are the four types. Just very basic thing you can see you're around also. Okay, next is projector. A projector or image projector is an optical device. This is optical device. Okay, that project an image or moving image onto a surface. Okay, for projector you need any surface like which should be wide actually, where you can watch a movie, not printed or not like very dark color. You can't watch it. You need like surface blank white. Okay, that laser, this light will flash on that wall or that curtain, white curtain, then picture will come out. You can see proper movie. Okay, movie or image or video, anything you want to watch, you can watch it. Okay, commonly a projection screen. Most projector create an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some newer type of projector can project the image directly by using laser. Okay, a retinal display or retinal projector is a projector that projects an image directly on the retina instead of using an external projection screen. The most common type of projector used today is called video projector. Okay, this is not that much big. Okay, this is no, if you are using set-top box, if earlier like we are using set-top box, that set-top box size is very small, and it is little bit bigger than your set-top box. And here is a very small laser that's lens. Okay, that light will come out from the this screen, this glasses, and this will display on your wall, your curtain, and that picture you can watch. Okay, next is speaker. Okay, you know about speaker. I don't need to that much explain. Okay, you can read it if you want. You will comment me, then I will give you PDF. I will share with you. Headphones. Like this is the example of hardware output device. Like this is giving you output. Next is printer. I have already explained about the printer. It's okay. And now I'm going to cover this all printer types and everything. Okay, a device that print image or document on the paper is known as printer. Okay, device that can print image or document on paper is known as printer. You can understand with this line also. A printer is a device that accept text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper, usually to standard size sheet of paper. The speed of a printer depend on sheet of paper and on text and graphic in color or shadow or gray. uh, about the printer, you have option. You want to, if you want your gray, black and white printing, you can press it just black and white simply. Okay, if you want printing with color, you can press it just, you can select option color. Okay, if you want like a picture, you can choose the picture image. It is depend on actually printer to printer. If you want like a same like a photograph, that printer you want, that printer is different. Okay, every printer are not same. Okay, so there are three type of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer, or other printer name given in the end of printer notes. Okay, dot matrix printer. A dot matrix printer is an impact printer that prints using a fixed number of pins or wires. In contrast, inkjet and laser printer technically exhibited dot matrix printing, but they are not considered dot printer. Okay, a dot matrix printer is an impact printer that print using a fixed number of pins or wires. In contrast, okay, this is normal home printer. Okay, there you need like small as if you ever see there is small tube here inside this printer. You need to fill the color and you can use it. Here is some note point, special point. The first impact dot matrix printer was Centronic 101, introduced in 1970. This introduced in 1970. Okay. Printer speed 165 character per second. Centronic 101. Weight 155 pound. Okay, this is so technical. If you want to read, you can read it. Next is inkjet printer. Okay, an inkjet printer is a computer peripheral that produce hard copy by spraying onto paper. A typical inkjet printer can produce a copy with a resolution of at least 300 dot per inch. DPI, some inkjet printer can make full color hard copy at 600 dpi, or this is more clarified like inkjet printer. You will see that when you are like whenever you are using this printer and dot check printer, you can see the difference. This is so clear. The picture, if you are printing your picture also, photograph also, you can see that visibility. Okay, next is laser printer. A laser printer is a popular type of personal computer printer that uses a non-impact keystone strike the paper copier technology. When a document is sent to a printer, a laser beam. Okay, this is the laser printer. Like you are giving command from your laptop, from your desktop. This is taking the command. This is laser printer we are currently using. Like we are giving command from my laptop, my computer, and I will add my printer name, and I will like connect like we you know about the Bluetooth. So we are pairing your mobile with your Bluetooth. That is the same condition here happening. Okay, you just pair your system with a lab that printer that will be connected. Then you can print your thing whatever you want to print. Okay, name of some other printer. Okay, this is the impact printer or this is the non-impact printer. Okay, dot matrix, daisy wheel, line printer, drum printer, chain printer, band printer, inkjet printer, non-impact printer, laser printer, non-impact printer. These are the two types. Okay, impact printer and non-impact printer. First, we will learn both of us. Then I'll explain. Impact printer refer to a glass printer that work by banging a head of needle against an ink ribbon to make a mark on the paper. This include dot matrix, daisy wheel, and okay. This is a little bit old kind of printer, which you need to like. You can't give the instruction from your laptop. You don't need to connect. Okay, this will like normal manually work. you need to do. This is impact printer. Non-impact printer, without banging ribbon onto paper, laser, LED, inkjet, solid ink, thermal wax, transfer and dye, sublimation printer are example of non-print. Okay, these two example, like you can give the instruction from your laptop, from your system. This will take your command and this will give you output. The plotter. Okay, plotter is also example of uh, same like output. Okay, it is giving you output. Plotter is a computer printer. This is also kind of printer for printing vector graphic. In the past, plotter were used in applications such as computer aided design, though they have generally been replaced with the wide format conventional printer. Plotter gives a hard copy of the output. It draws like, see, it is like a same working like a printer, but this is plotter. Thoda sa, like it is little bit manual old printer. Okay, next is a storage device. Storage device, you as you know about, in our computer there's two type of storage device, primary or secondary. Okay, you know about the storage, like you can store your file, your video, your personal thing in your storage. There's a two, like primary and secondary. Like I can example you, like if you are currently you are using your mobile, everyone have mobile. Okay, earlier we are using mobile which we need to put memory card, and then that time we can like put the memory card and we can store our memory. Okay, but nowadays we have that much space in our mobile, so we don't need to put extra memory card in our, like we don't need to inject. Okay, same happen with the laptop, with your desktop, with your computer also. There's a like two type of memory which is all, one is already stored and another you need to put, like RAM you can remove it. Okay, you can change it. Hard disk you can remove it. SSD you can remove it. Okay, this is the type of, like I'll show you. Okay, generally smaller size in size and designed to hold data temporarily and are internal to the computer. They are the fastest data access speed. Example of primary storage devices: RAM and cache memory. Okay, primary storage. In primary storage, there is a two type. Uh, Two things: RAM and cache memory. RAM is you can remove it, like it is come 4 GB, for 8 GB, 32 GB, 16 GB. You can purchase as per your capacity of computer or laptop. You can purchase it. You can. So in cache memory, data will be stored. Like if you don't need RAM, that data will be stored in your normal desktop or laptop. This is the cache memory. Secondary storage. Secondary storage is hard disk, compact disk, USB, flash drive. Okay, hard disk is normal, like you can remove it. Okay, compact disk you can remove it. You can inject it, like if you are using DVD, if ever, like earlier we were using DVD, so we need to put the CD there and we can watch any movie, any videos. Okay, flash drive means like your pen drive. If you want to like store any data, you can store and you can like remove it at immediately. This out, like outside devices. This is CD. This is pen drive. Pen drive is like you can make your pen drive bootable, like directly if you are putting your pen drive in your laptop on your desktop, like it will be directly working, directly work. But normal pen drive, like you need to go on file, you will check your like video and anything, your data, and then you can copy or you can paste your data. Floppy disk all the same, like memory. What is motherboard? Motherboard is a like very mainly function in for CPU. It is inside the CPU, like inside the CPU you can see this is the motherboard. And have you ever heard like my motherboard is not like it is not working properly? Without motherboard you can't use your lap monitor, because motherboard give you instruction operate your monitor. Okay, power supply unit, you can see backside of CPU. This is giving you power of full of your CPU. This is the picture of power supply unit. What is printed circuit? It is normal actually. What is bytes? As you can see, if you are using mobile, this is the 1 GB. We are getting 1 GB per day. We are getting 2 GB per day. This is like a same bytes, which is a measure of storage capacity. The byte is the unit of measure storage capacity. Byte is very small unit of storage capacity. So in 1024 bytes, convert in 1 kilobyte. 10 kilobyte convert into 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte convert into 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte convert into 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte convert into 1 petabyte. 1024 petabyte convert into 1 exabyte. 1024 exabyte convert into 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte convert into 1 gigabyte. So from KB, this KB to GB we are using in our mobile. TB we are using in our laptop. Petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, petabyte we are using in film industry line for making movie. Okay, you can learn by this. Just this is the conversion 1024, 1024. These are the same. MB will come here. GB will become here. TB will become here. So KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, EB, and ZB and YB. So generation of computer, these are the five generation of computer. So first is vacuum tube, which is from 1940 to 1956. Second one is a transistor, 1956 to 1963. Third is integrated circuit, 1964 to 1971. Fourth is microprocessor, 1971 present. Fifth is artificial intelligence, present and beyond. You can learn very easily. It is so easy actually. You can just learn vacuum tube 40 to 56, then 56 will come here, then transistor 56 to 63. So 63, after 63 this is the number only change. 64 integrated circuit, 64 to 71 microprocessor, 71 present, and artificial, currently you know about the artificial intelligence is the present and beyond. Like these are the detailed explanation about the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. Okay, now we will move on next. Characteristic of computer. So these are the 8 characteristics of computer. These are the 8 characteristics. First is speed. So computer is giving you speed. Speedily you can complete your work as compare human. Accuracy, it is giving you accurate answer. If you are using calculator, it is giving you accurate answer. Third is storage. It is giving you storage. Like you can store many data in your storage. Diligence means it is not taking any break, and without break it can work. Versatility means it can work multiple, like multiple tasks one time at a time. Okay, you can open many display. Second, sixth is power of remembering. It can remember data for us, like any data we can forget, but laptop or our system we can't forget. No IQ and no feeling. As you know, whatever instruction we are giving, it will be follow. It will not like putting the effort. It is not taking the IQ and the feeling. It doesn't have feeling. So diligence, it is not taking any break. Without break, it can complete your work. Versatility, like in one time, it can you can open 2 3 windows, lot of things, or it can complete your task. Okay, power of remembering, not like a human. We can forget very easily, but that computer and robot, it is very difficult. They can't like whatever instruction you are giving, this will follow. Only this is following any command without any feeling. Just this whatever instruction you are giving, that is their task, they will complete it. That's it. Okay, these are the few full form. www, World Wide Web. You can see in your website, World Wide Web, www. Okay, LAN is local area network, WAN is world area network. Local area means locally you are using network, your router from local provider. WAN is world area network, worldly, all over the world, provide the internet. This is the world area network. RAM is random access memory. ROM is read only memory. This is memory with for storage. Visual display unit. This it is for display. URL, uniform resource locator. This is for website. You without URL, like if you want to search anything, like www dot amazon.com or .in. Okay, this is the URL, like particularly you are going any website. This is like specific address. Okay, next is GUI, graphic unit interface. Next is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. It's part of CPU. MU, same part of your memory storage memory unit. CU, control unit, part of your CPU. Next is HTML. This is hypertext markup language. This is working on backend. Any website you can see on the backend, HTML, CSS, and Java will be work. So that website will be created with the languages. Okay, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. This is a protocol. Actually, protocol is a set of rules. So yeah, on internet there's a lot of protocol for every lot of things, like file transfer protocol, TCP, like transmission control protocol. This is for like internet protocol. CVV, card verification value. CVV, like whenever you are applying for job, you need a CVV, card verification value. GPS, global positing system. VPN, virtual private network. You can use your you can change your IP address by using VPN. SIM, subscribe identity module. Without SIM card, you can't make any call. Wireless area network, wireless local area network, WLAN. This is also your local area which is working wirelessly. Like I can give you example, fiber. Sorry, I can give you example, hotspot. If you are like giving internet to someone, this is a wireless area network example. GPRS, like you can find any location, you can see on Google Map. Any location will be found by GPRS. General packet radio service. Operating system, OS. These are the three type of operating system. Currently, I am using Windows, so this is the operating system of Windows. I have Linux also for hacking, and for and iOS also, which like you can see in Apple product. Means these three type of operating system we have. Next is PNG, portable network graphic. Next is GIF, graphic interchange format. Portable network graphic. Okay, this is the like same JPEG. Whenever you are saving your image in JPEG, same like PNG, you are saving your image in PNG and you can upload it by putting PNG. Okay, GIF is graphic interchange format. You can see when you are using WhatsApp, short video without sound, or like normal little action. So this is a graphic interchange format. AT is advanced technology. IT is information technology. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is like American. This is like I'll like we are getting internet from ISP. ISP means Airtel, Voda. This is the ISP, internet service provider, who are giving the internet. ISP taking internet from INA, and INA taking internet from submarine. So this is also same part of like this is like operated by INA. ASPI, Advanced SCSI Programming Interface. CD is compact disc, I showed you last, normal CD. CD-ROM, compact disc, read only memory. CPU, central processing unit. DVD, digital versatile disk. Last, well, earlier we were using DVD or watching any movie, listening any song. So we were using DVD. DPI, dots per inch. ECC, error correction code. GB, gigabyte, IC, integrated circuit. KBPS, kilobyte per second. Mac, media access control, we are using in Apple product. Mbps, megabytes per second. PC, personal computer. DTP, desktop publishing. So CU, control unit, is part of CPU. Operating system, I explained you three type of operating system. Assembler, this is for computer language. Web pages and website, this is the main heading. Website is a collection of web pages with information on a subject. Like website is a collection of web pages. This is the trackball we are using. Earlier we are using ball mouse, so we can use through ball we can move our cursor and we don't need to move full mouse. Next is connector, like two device can connect. Recycle bin, whenever we are deleting anything, any application, everything will be saved in recycle bin. When we are deleting from there, that will be permanently deleted. Next is assembler language. This is computer machine language actually. Okay, file details. This is like file details about the file when you are created. This is file details. Software means any application, Microsoft, Chrome, any advanced application you are uploading. This is the software which you can't touch physically. Okay, my computer, same. My computer, you can see control panel. Here on setting, you can see my computer, where you can see about your computer. Compiler also, it is it's used for program that translates source code for high level programming language to lower code languages. Window Explorer, same, like you are currently using Chrome, but earlier Windows 7 we are using Window Explorer to search anything. Low level language, same, programming language. Insertion point, this is insertion point. This is the insertion point. You can try it. Okay. Next is IP, Internet Protocol. Like whenever you are searching anything, your IP will be go on that website. So anyone, like if you are performing unethical activity, so anyone can detect you by your IP. Peripheral devices, which is like extra devices you can connect with your system, like mouse, keyboard, printer, scanner. Application software is app or application. Like for example, you are using your mobile, you are using WhatsApp to chat someone, so this is the application. And in software, here you can download any game. This is application software. Microsoft Excel you are using, this is also example of application. TCP/IP is a protocol, transmission control protocol. It is like an internet protocol. So whenever you are sending like this, there are a four layer actually for TCP: application, transport, network, or network access. For this, like you can whenever you are sending message to someone, first you need application like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Then you need to transport your messages, okay, through any language. So you need a language. So this is the transport, will be transport. The next is network. You need a network to send your messages. Then network access, that person whenever that message will be visible on their like devices, that person can access your messages. This is network access. Next is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This is part of CPU. This is some about the MS Office. You can read it if you want to read it. This is made by MS Office, made by Bill Gates. in 1st August 1980. Okay, this is the history of Microsoft. You can take screenshot if you want to take. You can read deeply. You can easily understand history of Microsoft or about the Microsoft. This is about the Microsoft. This is also known as Microsoft Office part, MS Word, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Publisher, OneNote. You can read it. This okay. This is history. Okay, that's it. That is all now. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment me if you want more information about fundamental. I will share PDF with you. If you will like comment me, then I will share with you. Thank you.